Okay, so what I got here is the Borla 11929, which is the axle back for the 2018 Camaro. Now, I'm actually pretty excited to get this. A little backstory here. I originally ordered this April 12th and said 4-week shipping. Okay, I checked back, I didn't get a shipping notification. I checked with the reseller. Oh, the date's been changed. So I wait. The next date was, I think, May 16th, and I wait a couple days afterwards, no notification. Call them again. Oh, the date's been shipped. Ship date's been changed to June 8th. So I told them cancel the order. I don't know where this is ever going to ship from. So I contacted Borla directly on their website. Their customer service sales was very responsive from just the contact on the website. He says, oh, no, actually, it's July 30th. It's not June 6th for the 1129 CB, which is the ceramic black tip. The polish, which is what I have here, was ship date of 6/25. And so I started looking around. I looked around some other exhausts. I had really had my heart set on Borla, and I was about to pull the trigger on another brand, but when I listened to the videos side by side, it wasn't quite what I wanted. So then I started searching the net. Who has it in stock? Who has it in stock? I found somebody, and here it is 3 days later. Shipped from Texas. It's right here at my doorstep. So that's why I'm really excited. I just got it today, this morning, got home and it was here. So I wasn't able to get the ceramic black tip. The sales guy, I asked him after I actually had this ready to ship, it was on the way. I said, is this, if I'm gonna buy more stuff from Borla in the future, is this kind of a standard thing where you go through, situations where you have extended ship dates? And he said, yeah, it's pretty common. So I'm not sure if they do production runs and they run out too fast or what the deal is, but it seems like, just keep in mind, if you want to order it, you may be waiting a while. I get a little impatient. I really wanted the black tips, but the polished, I'll deal with that, because I've got, the car, I've got the matte black wheels, the black stripes, and I kind of wanted that blacked out tip on the exhaust. Didn't get it, but I would much rather have the sound that I wanted with this kit. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Hardware enclosed. Looks like I got a nice little Borla hat with it. Got a couple of clamps. Packed nice and tight. It's almost like they poured the foam in over top of the mufflers when they're in there. Borla Attack. Nice little bubble wrap on the tips. Got the R to the right side. And take a look at this. This is like seriously packed in here. Happy to note, this one's the left side. Same thing, Borla Attack. Nothing else in the box. So, when you look up underneath the car, this big old can is going to be replaced. Basically, it's going to change to this. I've read their instructions. I've watched a lot of videos. You basically measure 4.5 inches back from where this bend stops. Come back 4.5, draw your line, sawzall, boom, brackets, and then you got this hanger and another hanger up there somewhere. I can't see it from the side. There it is. And it should be easy. I think it's supposed to be a half-hour job, something along that. Sounds like that. And I'm excited. We'll see. Watch the video when I get it posted. Thank you.